JayBratt, Olafus has sent us some RGB floodlights that John and I thought, hey, we could make some really cool B-roll using these instead of the crappy little ring lights we've been using. So let's open them up and see what they're like. These are LED floodlights. They are $70. There is currently a giveaway going on with them right now. I'll leave a link in the description of that. So if you want to enter in, you might be able to win a set of these for free. So that would be pretty sweet. Whew, two pretty fancy looking floodlights here. 50 watts IP66, you can see the LED arrangement in there. Our ultimate goal with this is we're actually gonna hook these up on the ceiling in here, one facing each direction, make kind of some studio lights where we can have two different colors, just make it fancy. We'll show you some of that. We got two remotes, no discernible marking as to which one is which. So maybe we'll get creative and we'll put a little colored duct tape on one, and I don't know, we'll figure something out. And a manual, which I really don't think we're gonna need. I'll take a quick look though, because I am curious if this has an app or if it's just remote controlled. The remotes are gonna be more than enough, but why not put another app on Editor John's phone? I'm sure he would love that. I don't see any quick mentions, so we'll figure that out. Let me grab a power strip over here. We'll plug these things in and take a little look at them.
I am so blind.
So these are meant to be outdoor floodlights. These are meant to put on your house for decoration, for aesthetic, whatever you want to do. But we are of course going to use them in our studio. Why not? We've got them plugged in and they are bright. They look great. They look solid, great build quality. The one downfall though, this remote. Like, this is the crappy remote that you get with the cheapest RGB lights that come on Amazon. And you can always hear something shaking inside of them. That is the downfall of these, but it works, it does its job. Let's see if I can blind John over there. There's a tiny bit of delay after you press the button. It's not much, but it is noticeable if you're trying to be fast with it. It's a little touchy about where you're aiming at it to get it going. So we got a lot of red light there, and this is fighting against 10 full spectrum LED bulbs. So if you're seeing the red on me here, it's fighting these, and I feel like you can see it because it looks really bright to me. What kind of, oh gosh, oh, wait a second. So the lights are on the same remote connection, whatever you want to say. The remotes are on the same frequency. So if you're actually aiming one where it can hit both of them, it'll change both at the same time. So that's actually gonna be nicer for me and John because it means we'll put one on one side of the ceiling, one on the other side, and then we can just use one remote, aim it specifically at one, specifically at the other, and change the colors for whatever kind of glory shots we're doing. How's that gonna look? What does that mean for those of you out there who are like, oh, I don't really do glory shots, or I want to, and I'm interested, that's why I'm on this video. We'll show some here real quick. We'll show some from another item that we're taking glory shots of. So like you're seeing an Oculus Quest 2 right here, and you're seeing we got different colors we're cycling through coming from either side, looking real nice, and this is just a little effect you can add to it. We still keep a main light on because we don't want it to be just the colored lights, but you'll see this in other people's videos now. You're seeing it here, you'll start picking it out where people use colored lights to add a little nice accent to it. As you can see, it's gonna be really useful for us here. I wanna say another thank you for them sending them out, but I will leave the link in the description for that giveaway in case you wanna get over there and possibly win your own. There wasn't a lot of entries when I looked earlier, so you got a fair shot at this point. But I wanna say thank you so much. I probably look evil here. Hang on, actually. Whew. Now I just look blown out. Thank you so much for coming out and being here with us today. I will see you in another reality. Dear God, turn off.